Have you ever wondered why some people seem to glide through life's challenges with ease, while others stumble at every hurdle? The answer lies in the power of wisdom. Wisdom is not just about knowledge, it's about understanding and discernment. It's a tool that helps us navigate the often tumultuous waters of life. And where can we find the roadmap to this wisdom? In the second chapter of Proverbs, it provides us with a practical guide to overcoming life's hurdles and growing in wisdom. Over the next few minutes, we'll be delving into this chapter, exploring the call to seek wisdom, understanding its benefits, acknowledging the dangers of ignoring it, and finally, uncovering the rewards that wisdom brings. We'll see how wisdom is not just a concept, but a way of life that can turn challenges into opportunities for growth. So, join us as we journey into the heart of wisdom and discover how to turn life's challenges into opportunities for growth. The first step on our journey is understanding the call to seek wisdom. What does it mean to seek wisdom? It's not simply something we stumble upon by chance, but rather a pursuit we must actively engage in. Picture wisdom as a treasure hidden deep within a mountain. It's there, waiting to be discovered, but it requires effort, determination, and perhaps a bit of guidance to find it. In Proverbs 2 verses 1-3, we're called to seek wisdom. This isn't a casual invitation, it's a fervent call to action. It's about turning our ears to wisdom, applying our hearts to understanding, and raising our voices for insight. It's a call to dig deep, to question, to listen, and to learn. But why should we seek wisdom? Well, in our daily life, we're often faced with decisions and dilemmas that require more than just knowledge or intelligence. We need wisdom, a practical tool for decision-making and problem-solving. It's wisdom that helps us discern right from wrong, truth from falsehood, and valuable from worthless. Seeking wisdom is not about acquiring an abstract concept. It's about gaining a practical, valuable tool that guides us through life's complexities, helps us make sound decisions, and navigate through challenges. So remember, it's not enough to merely desire wisdom. We must actively seek it out in our daily lives. So what happens when we heed the call to seek wisdom? Let's dive into the third scene where we explore the benefits and dangers of wisdom as depicted in the timeless Proverbs 2. When we embrace wisdom, it's akin to discovering a hidden treasure. It's valuable, precious, and worth every effort we put into finding it. Proverbs 2, 6 and 8 describes wisdom as a divine gift, a treasure that imparts deep understanding. It's the compass that guides us in making sound decisions, and it's the light that illuminates our path in the darkest times. But wisdom isn't just a beacon of light or a compass, it's also a shield. A protective barrier that safeguards us from falling into traps set by life's complexities. It's the armor that shields us from the arrows of deceit and falsehood, helping us discern right from wrong, good from evil. It's our guardian, our protector. Now let's flip the coin and look at the dangers of ignoring wisdom. When we turn a deaf ear to wisdom's call, we open ourselves to the destructive intentions of wickedness. Proverbs 2:12 and 15 warns us of those who stray from the path of righteousness, those who revel in doing wrong and delight in perversity. They are like a storm that leaves chaos and destruction in its wake. The consequences of following such a path, according to Proverbs 2:16-19, are dire. It's a road that leads to ruin, a path that ends in despair. Ignoring wisdom is like walking on thin ice, unaware of the danger lurking beneath until it's too late. In essence, wisdom is not just a treasure to be sought, it's a call to be heeded. It's a voice that whispers in our ears during moments of indecision, a guiding light in our journey through life. Wisdom doesn't promise a life without challenges, but it offers the tools to navigate them successfully. Wisdom, then, is not just about personal gain, it's also about protecting ourselves and others from harm. So the next time you're at a crossroads, remember the benefits of wisdom and the dangers of ignoring it. Choose wisely. But the journey doesn't end with understanding the benefits and dangers of wisdom. In the book of Proverbs, we find that wisdom's rewards extend far beyond mere protection. They permeate every aspect of life, bestowing blessings, peace, and security. Imagine wisdom as a guide, leading us along a path. Proverbs chapter 2 verses 20-21 illustrates this beautifully. Wisdom guides the good, the upright, those who walk in integrity, and they inhabit the land. It's not just about surviving or making it through the day, but about thriving and living a fulfilling life. Wisdom's rewards also include peace. It's not the fleeting peace of a quiet moment, but the deep enduring peace that comes from knowing you're walking the right path, making the right choices. Wisdom gives us the tools to navigate life's twists and turns, and the confidence to face them head on. And then there's security. Wisdom acts as a shield, a fortress. It provides refuge in times of trouble and stability in times of change. It gives us the courage to face the unknown and the strength to stand firm in the face of adversity. These rewards, these blessings of wisdom, are not just for a select few. They are available to all who seek wisdom, to all who value it as a treasure, to all who are willing to walk the path it lays before us. Wisdom, therefore, offers us not just protection, but also a pathway to a life of peace and prosperity. As we come to the end of our journey, let's reflect on what we've learned. Our exploration of Proverbs 2 has revealed the critical importance of seeking wisdom. It's not just a passive endeavor, but an active, deliberate choice to pursue understanding and discernment. This pursuit is not without its challenges, as wisdom is often hidden in the rough terrains of life's trials. Yet it's from these trials that wisdom's true value emerges. Wisdom serves as a protective shield, guiding us away from harmful paths and towards a life of peace and security. Ignoring wisdom, on the other hand, can lead us down destructive paths. We've also discovered the rewards that come with wisdom. It offers blessings, peace, and security, enriching our lives in ways that material wealth never can. As you navigate your personal challenges and decisions, consider how these principles can guide you. Remember, the pursuit of wisdom is a lifelong journey, but it's a journey that promises rich rewards. So why not start today?